Okay. I'm an OP Minecraft man, and I'm back at Snoring 3, which you can't see right now. But I'm at the last level because I went over 15 minutes long. So I'm at the last level, but I mean I have bonus levels. I think a bonus level, but okay. But yeah, let's just get right to it so we don't go over 15 minutes this long this time. Yeah, you can kind of see this like moving platforms, I guess. I like it when games don't lag. This is gonna take forever. There's no way I can do it. It keeps lagging. I stand corrected. Huh. Okay, let's see what bonus level I got. Okay, I got bonus A, bonus B, bonus C, and bonus D. Okay, I got 34. Get all of them. Get all them gems. Yay! Collected all the jewels. Yay! Okay. Why? Why does it do this to me? Yay! No, I didn't get all of them. I thought I got all of them. There we go. Okay, this is actually really fun. Oh my gosh. How do they make the... No way. How do they make it so fun? It's so fun! Ooh, penguins. Okay. Just let them all roll off the edge. Okay, I'm gonna restart this one. Boom. There we go. Did it. I need all of them. Okay. Well, what time are we at? We're only at 3 minutes, so yes, we are definitely not ending it here. I'm not doing the last one. Oh, look. Here, 1 second. You guys can't even see, so. Basically, okay, I'll just read it to you. Instructions. Defend the castle by buying cannons to shoot the enemies. Okay. Buy. Oh. Buy. Actually, no, cancel. I said sell. Oh. Oh, there we go. How much health does my castle have? What? No. What the heck? Yeah, no. No, I don't like this game. Okay. Let's find a different one. Okay, well, this is just a weird game, so... Oh, play. Play silent, and we'll do silent. Probably shouldn't have done silent, but Above average guy, it's called. What an average day. I wonder what's on the average TV. Hey, you sitting on the couch, guy? What? Is your life that average? Wait, what? No. What? I don't care. Just, never mind. A game. What do I do? Rag. 03, 02, 01. Let's go. What am I doing? Okay, move character. Jump up. Move character. Move character, so I can do this and that. Okay. Got it. Yeah. Read the tutorial and you'll be fine. I don't think you need to have, I need to give you a clue about the tutorial, right? Oh! There we go. There we go, yeah, okay. Let's get to the fast. Okay. I don't know what I'm doing. Darn. I can die in this? No. What game show is this? What the heck? Oh my gosh. If you need a hint, this level is too cryptic. Click on the announcer guy. I am the announcer. He may give you a helpful hint. Okay, well, please give me a hint, because I don't know what to do. You read the instruction. Okay, I'll open the door for you. Oh my god, how do I get in the door? I need to get in the door. Do I get a bump and gelatin? That's all. Really? All the help I get. I hate this guy. No jumping. Why did I jump? Oh, nothing. It just won't let me jump. Where do I go? Okay, can I click on you again? Can you die right? Just jump off of the board. Jump off the board and make a splash. Oh! Do I literally just jump on there? Uh-oh. How do I...
Finally, Michigan has an opportunity to solve our energy shortfall. The plan of the State House will ensure that Michigan workers and Michigan companies generate the electricity we need.
Okay, what is this ad?
And it ensures all Michigan
Google.
invest in reliable electricity for our
What do I do? Ah!
Call your state representative
This.
ask them to support the Michigan First Energy Plan.
Why? Why are they doing this? For 9 minutes. I'm going to like, yeah, no, I don't care. Full blast. Brainy. Number Boomba. Oh, Boomba. That sounds like fun. It's all like blue box. Blue box. Blue box. Definitely. Who cannot? I mean, actually, I should have probably read what. Die at die. I think that's is that the new Star Wars? Blue box. Oh, I just spit everywhere. Okay. Okay. Got it. Wait, did I just die? This is this is the weirdest game ever. Am I gonna be able to like jump pretty soon? Oh wait, I kinda already do jump. What do I do here? There's nothing to do. How do I do it? Oh. No. Oh no, no way. Oh. Oh, come on, really? How do you do this? Okay, well, it's gonna be the end of this video, so bye, Blue Box. I never really liked you, so exit, okay. So yeah, I made an LP Minecraft man. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I hope this intro will go better than the last video. Yeah, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye! And not the Blue Box.